artists and crafters. Today we're going to make some simple earrings that's great for beginners. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to work with some head pins. And if you're not sure what head pins are, they have a little end on it to stop the bead when you put the bead on. So you can just take a bead, put a bead on, and it's like a little stopper. You can get some fancy ones. They have other ones too. These are just your plain ones. And a head pin's basically like a straight pin, except it doesn't have the sharp end on it. So I thought today we can make some really cute dangle earrings using fall colors, and or should I say autumn. And what we're going to do is we'll need 6 head pins, and I'm using mine in gold. And you can get them, you can purchase them like this. Very nice selection. I think I only paid like $7 for it. You get silver, bronze, gold, and then there's 2 different sizes. They're the larger size, like what I had showed you, and then there is a smaller size, if I can get one out, just a little one. You can put like a very small bead on that, or 2. You'll also need some fish hook earrings. Oh, these got all tangled up. Let me find out if I can find another one. So you'll need 2 of those. And you'll need a selection of some large beads or small beads. I will be using the 6mm, and these are Jasper. These are Chinese rainbow Jasper. And I'll also be using the 13mm, in which they are, it's not a bead, well, it's a bead, but it's a long like tube. It has a hole on either end, so you can feed the wire through. And that is natural picture Jasper. Couldn't say that for a minute there. So what we'll do is, to begin, we will just add the beads on to the head pin. So I think what I'd like to do is just do 1 bead and then have 2 of the picture Jasper around them. So I'll just feed that on so you can see that. Yep. And you just simply put it on like that. And it's done. Just to see, you know, if that's exactly what I'd like, but I'm pretty sure this is what it's going to be. And then the bead, gotta find a hole. Then you put that on the head pin, and like I said, the end of the wire has that little end to it, so it holds the bead on. And then I need 2 more of the Jasper. And then, let's see, I think that'll look really nice. I'm also thinking I do have some Mookaite Jasper. I'm not sure if I want to use that with it, because I think these color combinations are rather pretty. Actually, this one I think I'm going to switch, and I'm just going to find one that's a little more brown. Some are green shades and some are brown shades, and some are just a mixture. So I just want them to match a little bit, like that. All right, so You can do any combination. You don't have to do a fall beads. You don't have to do, you don't have to use Jasper for your fall beads. You might have, oh, I have a few here that might be of interest. I have like little beads that are orange. Those would be beautiful autumn colors. My Mookite, beautiful browns and oranges. You can use that. Or, you know, if you want to just do something for the holiday, you can use crystals, you can use pearls, use whatever combination you like. Okay, so next we'll need chain nose pliers and round nose pliers. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to bend it at a 45-degree angle. I don't know if you can see that. And then we will start to make a loop. If you need to straighten it, because if you might have bent it or whatever during that, which I did. And then there's the loop. And then the next one. .45-degree angle. And then make your loop. And then you can flatten it with your pliers. And we'll just keep going with that until we have them all finished. Oops. This one kind of got a little wonky there. Flatten it out. And then I can fix it. So remember, you're doing 2 sets because we're doing earrings. You can also use this on for making bracelets, or you can attach these to a chain. You can use it for a necklace. But right now we're just going to keep working at this. And we're almost finished. And there we go. All right, so you can attach them straight to this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a gold jump ring and then attach all 3 together and then attach the fish hook earring. Here are my 2 jump rings. Got 1 for each set. And we're going to open the jump ring sideways. And then we'll add one of these, and then we'll put the bead in the center. And also where you closed up that little loop, make sure all those little closings end up in the same direction. And then, since the closing of the loop is facing this way, we're going to have your earring facing this way because you want the front of this to show, not where the closings are. And then I'm just going to take these pliers to help me close it up. And then you just should have gotten my other pliers, it would have been easier. And then you just close them up. You just wiggle it until it is completely together. And then we'll do the other side. And then we'll open the jump ring sideways. Okay. And again, make sure all the closings of these loops go in the same direction, facing towards the back of the earring. And then when you put your fishhook earring on, the part that you put in your ear, that will be facing the back also. And you just put that in, and then you just close up your jump ring, and there you have it. A nice, easy to make pair of fall or autumn earrings. Now, even with the bead, if you'd like to add more, you're quite welcome to do that. You can add smaller seed beads on there, or you could just leave it with just the one bead and it can just dangle that way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos, and if you'd like, look in the description box below, because then you can look at my artwork, photography, and other jewelry that I make. So I hope you really enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.